Vale Street and Montague Road, obviously. Mollison, that's right. Mollison Street.
I didn't realize that.
No, Merivale's further, you're right.
It's in South Bay. South Bay Center.
There's only one or two more.
Well, now that we're so close to the bottle shop. I don't think there's going to be
I don't know how deep that water is, but I imagine...
There's not going to be any way that we'll be able to get to the other side.
Not across here.
Well, even... I don't know how those people who were on the dry part got there, because... Well, they would have walked through. Hey.
What's that silver thing in the middle? See that? See next to the traffic light, on the right hand side of the traffic light, there's a little thing in the water.
Where's my glasses on?
Someone thinks they're going to drive through, obviously.
Who?
That blue car. You drive right up to it and the policeman's talking them out of it. See, there's a truck driving through on the other side though.
Want to get closer?
Yeah.
It's so frustrating to be so helpless if this just happens. Like, stand by and wait.
Let's see how deep it is by the truck. Car's given up, all moving out of the way.
But no, I just wanted to.
That building's alarm.
Water's actually draining out of the drains into the street.